Most anesthesiologists negotiate verbally. The recruiter says they'll look into it. The contract arrives unchanged. You mention the conversation. They have no record of it. You are back at zero. This is ANES number 11. Today, how to write a counteroffer for your anesthesiology contract, the structure, the exact language, and the 4 terms that move the most money. Written counteroffers do 3 things verbal negotiation cannot. They create a record, they signal preparation, and they force the employer to respond to specific terms rather than a general thumbs up that evaporates before legal drafts the agreement. The 4-part structure. Miss one part and you weaken your position. Part 1. Opening. Affirm your interest and establish you are working from benchmark data, not emotion. Part 2. Specific asks with exact proposed contract language. Not, I'd like a higher base. The actual number, written as if it belongs in the agreement. Part 3. 1 sentence of market data per ask. Not a paragraph. 1 fact per term. Part 4. A close with a response timeline. Creates forward motion without ultimatums. Now the 4 terms. These move the most money in an anesthesiology contract. Base rate. Your offer is $530,000. National 2025 anesthesiology data shows a median of $563,750 and a mean of $577,000. Proposed language. I propose a base of $580,000 per year. 1 sentence rationale. 2025 national data places the anesthesiology median at $563,750 with a mean of $577,000. The $50,000 gap is $150,000 over 3 years. Call structure. On-call is the wild card. National data shows a median daily rate of $2,000 and a top decile of annual on-call compensation exceeding $448,000. 2 identical base salaries can produce $32,000 or $448,000 in additional on-call comp. Proposed language. Call obligation shall not exceed 1 in 6. Hours physically worked on call shall be compensated at an hourly rate added to base. 1 sentence rationale. The on-call structure is the single most consequential variable in an anesthesiology contract and should reflect the employer's actual call burden. Signing bonus. The offer is $50,000 with a full cliff, meaning you owe it all back if you leave early. Proposed language. Increase signing bonus to $100,000 with prorated 24-month repayment rather than full clawback. 1 sentence rationale. Prorated repayment is standard in hospital-employed anesthesiology agreements. Non-compete. The offer has a 25-mile radius. Proposed language. Reduce geographic restriction from 25 miles to 15 miles and exclude without cause termination from the non-compete trigger entirely. 1 sentence rationale. Non-compete enforcement should not apply when the employer initiates separation, a standard carve-out in current anesthesiology contract language. Your close. I am prepared to move forward within 10 days of reaching agreement. I welcome a call this week to discuss. No pressure language, just a timeline that creates motion. 45 minutes to draft. Base rate ask alone is $150,000 over 3 years. The call structure has no cap on upside. Run your anesthesiology offer through the ClauseLine analyzer at clauseline.com before your counter goes out.